There's a man from the Canadian shores called Ken Puls, who wrangles numbers and so much more. He's called Ken Puls. From power query to DAX's might, he'll chart your course and set it right. Ken Puls is the one, fixing sheets till the job is done. Ken Puls is the power query OG. It's just Ken and his data monkey. Through stormy charts and narrow seas, he's called Ken Puls. He'll get you home with skill and ease. He's called Ken Puls. He'll tame your tables, pivot fast, and turn your data to gold at last. Ken Puls is the one, fixing sheets till the job is done. Ken Puls is the power query OG. It's just Ken and his data monkey. Through stormy charts and mirror seas, he's called Ken Puls. He'll get you home with skill and ease. He's called Ken Puls. He'll tame your tables, pivot fast, then turn your data to gold at last. Ken Puls is the one, fixing sheets till the job is done. Ken Puls is the power query OG. It's just Ken and his data monkey.
Now I can still see that everything is working exactly as it should in order to generate the forecast that I'm actually looking for. All the other thing I might want to do is maybe just go and put the slicer on top so you can't actually even see that I'm doing that. I've got a beautiful little model all set up to build a forecast. So there you go. That's how we can actually build a forecast sheet against the data model.